Alright, today I'm just going to give you my review on CimeXa Insecticide Dust. Now this stuff right here is great. It's better than diatomaceous earth when it comes to killing the critters, the bugs that have been bothering you for so long. This stuff is great stuff. Check the description part of the page for more information about this product. I'm going to leave it down just below. And don't forget to give me a like. Now this product right here is, as you can see, the active ingredients is silicon dioxide as morphosis silica. You see that? Now that product in here allows to kill the bugs on site. Okay. Now they don't die immediately. They don't die immediately. This is not that type of thing. This is not like a spray or something that you zap, the bugs with. Once this powder clings to them, it dries them out and they'll die within the next few days. Now, the thing is, you have to get this on the critters. Whether they crawl through it or you rub it on the eggs. When the eggs hatch, according to the bottle, it says that the nymphs will eventually die because they will come in contact with this insecticidal dust. Now, this, from my experience helping out friends, this works a lot better than diatomaceous earth, okay? And I think it's because it dries them out a lot faster, okay? And it actually kills them. Now, the thing of it is, you have to get cracks and crevices. You see there's cracks and crevices that you have to get up in there. You have to get up in there because that's where the critters, the things sent from I don't know where, like to hide. Now they have to come in contact in between where they're staying at and the bait, which is you. You are the bait, like it or not, okay? Now it comes in this bottle right here, which is similar to like what you can get in the store for diatomaceous earth. But they don't sell CimeXa everywhere, okay? So it comes on here. You pull this top off, right? And you lightly spray. Read the instruction before you use this because there are some warnings about using this type of product right here. And I also recommend getting a blower, which I have right here, which is extremely great with distributing this dust. Now, it works pretty well. The thing of it is, you have to get in a place to where they're going to crawl through it. Or if they're in, like, say for instance, a couch and you don't want to spray insecticide, that chemicals on the couch, this is one option for you, okay? You just have to make sure you have to get the cracks and crevices where they may hide or may crawl about, and if they come in contact with this dust, it's almost of a certain death. Now, all right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. That's my review of CimeXa. Thanks.